Introduction. Islam is a minority religion in Nepal, comprising only around 4% of the population. The Muslim community in Nepal has a rich history and culture, with significant contributions to the country's economy and society. History. The history of Islam in Nepal dates back to the 14th century when Muslim merchants from the Indian subcontinent arrived in Kathmandu. However, the significant growth of the Muslim community in Nepal occurred during the 19th century when Muslim soldiers from India were stationed in the country by the British colonial government. Beliefs. Muslims in Nepal, like Muslims worldwide, follow the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, as revealed in the Quran. They believe in one God and the 5 pillars of Islam, which include the declaration of faith, prayer, fasting, charity, and pilgrimage to Mecca. Muslim festivals. Nepal celebrates several Muslim festivals throughout the year, which are an essential part of the country's cultural and religious heritage. Some of the most significant festivals include 1. Eid al-Fitr, a festival that marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan and is celebrated with feasting and prayers. 2. Eid al-Adha, a festival that commemorates the sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim and is celebrated with prayers, charity, and feasting. 3. Mawlid al-Nabi, a festival that celebrates the birthday of Prophet Muhammad and is marked with religious sermons, recitation of the Quran, and feasting. Mosques. Nepal is home to several mosques, which serve as places of worship for the country's Muslim community. Some of the most popular ones include 1. Kashmiri Mosque, a mosque located in Kathmandu, built in the traditional Kashmiri style. 2. Jama Masjid, a mosque located in Burgunj, built in the Mughal style and considered one of the largest mosques in Nepal. 3. Madani Masjid, a mosque located in Pokhara, built in the modern style and known for its beautiful architecture. Conclusion. The Muslim community in Nepal has a rich history and culture, with significant contributions to the country's economy and society. Despite being a minority religion, Muslims in Nepal continue to practice their faith and celebrate their festivals with zeal and enthusiasm. The mosques in Nepal serve as important centers for the Muslim community, providing a space for prayer, community gatherings, and religious education. The Muslim community in Nepal is an integral part of the country's diverse culture and heritage.